These types of AI content are helping creators double their income and make passive money while they sleep. Meanwhile, you're out here watching silly AI videos of a dog getting a haircut. I mean, we need change that. So today, I'll walk you through a step-by-step system that'll help you start your own faceless AI business from scratch and actually make money. Here's what we're doing. First, I'll show you how I find guaranteed winning product ideas using a method no one's talking about. Then we'll design your realistic AI influencer who's going to be the face of your brand and help you go viral. Next, I'll show you how to set up an online store that actually converts using the same strategy I use for my own products. And finally, I'll teach you a proven AI content system that goes viral and makes sales while you're sleeping. Now, I'm not sure if you've noticed, but plenty of creators are using this strategy right now to make money. You post a 5 to 8 second clip of your AI avatar with a headline that sparks curiosity and gets people to comment and ask for more info. Once they comment, it triggers an automation that offers them a digital product, which in this account's case, it's a $97 course. And this strategy works really well because you don't need millions of views. Like this video here, it only got 4,000 views, but 144 people are interested and entered the automation. Now let's talk numbers. They sell their product for $97. So even if just 10% of those 144 people bought it, that's 14 people, $1,358 from just one short video. And if you scroll through, you'll see how many videos they've posted using this exact same method. So this is the overall idea, and I'm going to teach you exactly how to start that. And your product is the cornerstone, so without the right one, everything else will probably flop. And because I don't want you to go through all of that, I'm going to give you my secret method to find winning products. Now, the best way to get rich is simple. You find a viral problem and offer your product as the ultimate solution. That's how most businesses are built. So instead of going outside in the streets and asking people about their problems, I've automated the whole thing using this ChatGPT prompt. It dives online and finds real problems and emotional pain points, and we'll turn those into a digital product that we can build our content system around. So I'm just going to paste in the prompt, and ChatGPT will start digging through literally everywhere people are venting online. And within a minute, you get this insanely valuable list of pain points that real people are actually struggling with right now. And I don't think most people realize how powerful this is. So this isn't just random ideas. These are proven problems that already exist. Let's say we look at pain point 3 from the health section. It says, "I'm constantly bloated and nothing works." As you can see, we got the pain point. Also explains why it's viral, who's talking about it, and who the target audience is. So that means we're building digital products around real frustration that already has demand. And pretty much any pain point from this list can be turned into a winning digital product. If we take that bloating problem, we could easily turn that into an ebook with no bloat healthy recipes, a mini course that helps people solve gut issues, or a private community for women struggling with digestion. And the best part, you can now structure and build all of that with AI faster than ever. Now, long ago, I actually created an ebook called Bloat Safe Vegan Meals. So for the rest of this video, I'm going to use that product as a demo, just to show you how to go from problem to product to viral content system. But before we do all of that, we must create an online store so people can actually buy the product. I personally like to use Shopify, but you can go with whatever platform you prefer. Now, for all my stores, I always go with a .store domain. Not sure if you know this, but websites on .store get 87% more traffic and rank 2 times higher on Google compared to regular domains. That's why over 1.5 million sellers, including people like Mr. Beast, Cristiano Ronaldo, and Rihanna, already trust .store. So I'm going to show you how to grab your .store domain for just 99 cents. First, open .store using my link in the description. Here we can search for available domain names, and luckily, I found the perfect one, bloatfix.store. When it shows up, click on Add to Cart. Now, normally it says $29, but if you use my special link or enter the code 10XIncome, you'll get it for just 99 cents. After that, just create an account if you don't have one already, and enter your payment info. And just like that, you now own your .store domain, which means we are almost ready to finish the store, design our AI influencer, and create viral content. But first, we must connect the domain to Shopify, and it's all done in just a few clicks. First, sign into .store and click Manage next to the domain you just bought. Then click on Quick Connect and choose Shopify Connect. After that, just open your domain settings inside your Shopify store. Click on Connect Existing Domain, type in your domain name, and hit Next. And that's it. Your domain is now fully connected. So I spent around 30 minutes designing the store, and this is what I came up with. It's a super simple product page, nothing complicated. At the top, we've got the product name, ebook version, along with the price and a discount to make it more appealing. Then right under that, I added some benefits points, just to explain what the product actually helps with and increase conversions. I also created some clean mock-up photos I made with AI just to make it look professional. Below that, we've got some trust elements also to help with the buying decision. And of course, I added testimonials to build trust. And yeah, that's it. Simple, clean, and easy to launch. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to mention, when you get a .store domain, you also unlock Elevate.store, which is a free toolkit loaded with exclusive deals on tools like Canva, Shopify, and a bunch more. But now it's time to get creative and design our AI influencer. And it's gonna look something like this. We're gonna use a prompt that gives us a full description of how the influencer should look. Once we've got that, we'll generate the face portrait, and that's what we'll use later to create all kinds of content shots. This is the prompt we'll use, and you'll find it in the description along with the others. Once we hit enter, ChatGPT will generate a full breakdown of the influencer. The look, personality, backstory, how they talk, even the type of content they'd create. It gives us everything we need to build consistent content later on. And most importantly, you'll also get the close-up portrait prompt. This is what we'll use to bring the character to life and generate her face. So now we'll copy the face prompt we just got and head over to OpenArt, which is my current go-to platform. Make sure you've selected the Seedream 4.0 model. Then just paste the prompt into the box and hit Create. And in just a few seconds, we got this main image of our beautiful looking AI influencer. I really like this one. So the reason we created the face image first is because we're going to use it as a reference to generate all future content. So everything stays consistent and has that same professional branded look. And now that we have our influencer ready, it's finally time to start creating content. So we're going to create the content image first and then turn that into the final video ready to publish. And to make your life easier, I've already created a prompt that's going to save you hours. We're going to paste this prompt into ChatGPT, and all you have to do is update it with your own product info depending on what you're selling. Also, make sure to attach your influencer's face image. And in a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you fully ready-to-use content ideas, including the video headline, the caption, the image prompt, and the motion prompt. Everything you need is right there. So the first step is to generate the scene image. Basically, you just copy the image prompt from ChatGPT, head back to OpenArt, and paste it into the prompt box. But most importantly, click on Image Reference and upload your influencer's face image. That's what helps you keep the character consistent across all your content. Then, just make sure to select the vertical aspect ratio and hit Create. A few seconds later, you'll get something like this, a super clean scroll stopping image, ready for content. Now we need to turn that image into a video, and this can also be done directly inside OpenArt. Click on the video icon from the sidebar and choose the image to video option. From here, you'll see a few different models to choose from. Personally, I switch between Kling, WAN, and Minimax. Once you've picked the model, click to upload your image. Then right below that, you'll need to paste in your motion prompt. You can just copy the one from ChatGPT. Or of course, you can tweak it and try your own ideas. After that, choose the video duration, hit Create. Just like that, your still image is now a full animated scene, and it looks amazing. Now, the last step is to edit the video. I'm gonna open CapCut, drop the video in, and then add a text overlay with the headline we got from ChatGPT. Stretch the headline out so it covers the entire video, from start to finish. And just before the video ends, we'll add a comment call to action. So I'll add another text layer, something like comment fix or whatever word you choose. We'll use that later to trigger the automation in the next step. And that's it. Your video is now ready, and it looks fire. But I know you're thinking, how do I trigger the automation so it sends the link after someone comments? Well, I got you covered. So first, you'll need to sign up for this tool called ManyChat and connect your Instagram account. Once that's done, click on New Automation and choose Auto DM Links from Comments. Depending on your plan, you can either choose a specific post or reel, or just go with any post or reel. Now here's where you add the trigger word. This is the word you used in your video, like fix or whatever you chose. And if you want to make it feel more natural, turn on the setting that replies to their comment under the post too. Now this part right here is the button they'll see inside the DM, so you can rename it to anything like get it now or send me the guide. Finally, just type out the message that goes with it and paste your product page link there. Once you're done, click Go Live. And that's it, you're all set, my friend. So Here's how the full process works. Someone watches your video, comments the word you picked. Right after that, they get an automated DM with a button. And when they click it, they're taken straight to your product, all without you lifting a finger. And now that I've explained you everything, it's time to leave me alone, testing the product.